Yeah, just relax. When you remember when you were a baby or a kid.
Because he was really drunk. He's like, you want to learn how to drive? Come on. Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Meron akong binili kahapon sa Costco. Ito, gusto kong itry. Gusto ko talaga siyang itry guys. Ito siya guys, oh. Kirkland almond butter. Hala guys, gusto ko siyang itry guys. Yung sa pan. Rox, where is Hubsy Bug? We're gonna go get Dimple Nerd. Dimple Nerd! Humpty Humpty Hump! Where is your brother and sister, Rox? Look for them. Where are they? Where are they, baby? You go get Dimples. Dimple Nerd, you go get him. Where are they? Roxy, where are the Rox? Oh, where is Dimple Nerd? You go get him. Do you wanna go get them? Are you gonna go with Mama and get him? We're gonna go get Dimplers and Humpty Humpty Bug. Nag-upload na ako. Ang hina talaga ng internet dito. Pupunta lang kami mamaya sa appointment ng biyanan ko. And then also, hinihintay ko lang tong matapos itong video ko para bukas. So, may video tayo ngayon and then may video tayo bukas. Alis lang kami guys. What time is it? Kailangan ko pang pagkatapos naman umuwi dito. Kailangan ko pang magluto ng kasi bumili ako ng pork kahapon. Bakit itong bra? Kakaiba. Mahirap talaga magbra ng mga matagal ng bra, mga decade. Isang dekada na itong bra ko. Anyway. So, magluto pa ako ng pork adobo, and then maglinis sa bedroom ni Tammy, at saka maglinis sa bathroom. Yun. Maganda talaga yung buhok kapag hindi naka ponytail palagi. Maganda sa mukha mo. Parang crown yung buhok ng babae. Maganda kapag yung babae hindi naka-ponytail palagi. Pero kapag maginaw, at saka nagko-coat ka pa, nagja-jacket, ganyan, parang naanuhan ako sa buhok ko, parang, bakit andun ka? Doon ka sa luyo.
I don't see flakes.
So dry.
Well, it's winter.
It's freaking cold, guys.
I don't know what temperature it is outside. 30s, I'm sure. You typing it up?
I did reaction of Mystica's video, guys, about her reaction about Rafi's reaction of what happened. So, it's crazy, guys. Mystica, crazy.
I don't understand why somebody would attack somebody who tried to help them.
I know. It's just something, I don't know.
You don't have to. You don't have to. Let's go to or you know where she is.
I go with you. I'm already dressed. And then come home. Or we're gonna go to...
I want to stop and pick up that light, but...
You're gonna do it later? Huh? Hi guys! Hindi ako sumama kay Tammy. So, ang gagawin ko is magluluto tayo ng humba. So, yun guys. Dito na guys. Porky alligator. At saka meron din akong i-address sa inyo guys about sa mga nag-comment na meron kasi mga, hold on ha, pag-usapan natin yan doon sa loob pagkatapos kong hugasan ito. Diba may mga bagong mag-comment or mga bagong, meron tayong mga bagong viewers guys. So, hindi naman sila madami. Meron lang mga, nanonood sila ng mga old videos ko nung time na andito pa ako sa bahay ng mother-in-law ko. Ito yung bahay ng biyanan ko, guys. Kung merong hindi alam, bahay ito ng biyanan ko. And sabi pa nila, maraming mga nagsabi ang dumi-dumi ko raw. Hindi daw ako marunong maglinis. Palagi na lang daw akong anong pinagsasabi ko. Linisin ko naman tong bahay na to. So, hindi naman ko ikinakaila na talagang ang bahay na to is sobrang daming mga boxy, cellophane, hanggang ngayon. Pero gusto ko lang itong i-address dahil bahay to ng biyanan ko. So noon, yung pagdating ko dito, pabalik-balik na lang ako nito. Gusto ko lang i-explain sa mga bagong nanonood at saka nakapanood ng mga old videos ko. Gusto ko lang i-ano sa inyo na oo, pagdating ko dito, na-shock ako. Maraming gamit, sobrang daming gamit na hindi mo na alam. At saka hindi nila ginagamit, di ba? Kung ano man ang mga nilalagay-lagay nila sa saan-saan, pati yung asawa ko, hindi naman lang talaga itong bahay na to is yung sa buong family nila. At saka yung mga kapatid ni Tami na hindi dito nakatira, dito din nila nilalagay yung mga dapat nilang kanang hindi na nila magagamit sa bahay nila. So dito din tinambak. So kaya itong bahay na to is naging tambakan ng mga kahit anik-anik. So yon. One time, guys, gusto ko lang iano ito. One time, itong andito ako ngayon, dining area to. Maganda, maliit man siya, pero maganda. Ang bahay na to actually maganda kapag maganda yung pagkaayos at pagkalinis. So, nilinis ko to kasi malaking table. Yung ginamit ko ngayon dun sa bahay ko, is yung table na yun is sa biyanan ko yun. So, dito, di ba malaking table, ganyan-ganyan. Talagang, itong dining room na to is hindi ka, ang makadaan ka lang kasi may pathway na dadaanan. So, yun. So, hindi ako yung madumi, ba't hindi ka marunong maglinis. Nilinis ko to. Alam nyo ba, almost 2 weeks akong nilinis itong kainan na area para lang makaupo kami sa lugar na malinis at saka pag mabisita, meron kami mauupuan. Kasi doon kami palagi nakaupo sa kitchen, yung may table doon. At saka meron man table doon, marami ding nakatambak sa table. So, every time nakakain kami linis, ibalik na naman ganyan-ganyan. Kasi kapag maglinis ka, yung biyanan ko is ayaw niya, guys. Magyaw-yaw yun, guys, kung sa Bisaya pa. Hindi man ako yaw-yawan, pero yung asawa ko yung pagsabihan na saan na daw nilagay, ganyan-ganyan, yung mga saan. Pati yung asawa ko malilito na kasi nasanay na silang ganun ang bahay na to. So yun lang. So, hindi naman ako maruming tao. Hindi man ibig sabihin na hindi ako magaling maglinis. Kahit ano nang pinagsasabi ko sa camera, pero hindi ako marunong maglinis. Ganyan. Yung mga, bakit ganun? Bakit ganun? Yung mga tao, no? Kung anong nakita nila sa video, sa old videos ko talaga, kita-kita naman. Hindi ko naman tinatago na, oh, ang linis ditong lugar na to. Dito lang kayo dapat makakita. Kita talaga dapat yung nakikita nyo yung bahay. Pero hindi nyo pa nakikita talaga yung pagdating ko dito na hindi nyo nakikita talaga lahat. Pero buti na nga ngayon may lugar na kami maligid-ligiran matakbuhan or yung mga aso, meron pusa. Noon wala. As in wala. So yun lang yung sasabihin ko, as in wala. Pero naglinis ako, nakatira ako dito for 8 years, 9 years ako nakatira dito sa bahay na to. So yun, nilinis ko siya for 2 weeks. Grabe yung struggle ng paglilinis na yung time na yun kasi grabe yung struggle ko paglilinis kasi ang dami kong tinitignan na papel para hindi ko matapon kasi may mga importanteng papilis na hindi nila nakikita kasi nakatambak na, so nilagay ko sa boxes. So box na yun is mga importanteng papel, pero marami akong tinapon yung mga magazine na mga how many years old na yung mga magazine. Matagal kasi silang hindi nakapag-Christmas party sa bahay na to. So, yung time na yun, nag-decide ako na para naman yung family house nila, dito na magtapok-tapok, dito na sila mag-gather sa Christmas. Naisipan kong linisin, lagyan ng Christmas lights, bumili si Tami ng screen para may parang sinihan kami dito sa bahay kapag gusto namin, may projector dyan. So, yun, yung binili ni Tami dahil malinis na yung bahay, may maupuan na kami, bumibili kami ng bagong sofa, yung nandun sa bahay namin, amin yun ni Tami, binili namin yun at tinapon yung how many years na nilang sofa na pag umupo ka masakit sa puwet. So yun, hindi ibig sabihin na andito ako nakatira, hala, ano na lang ako pahilinis, pero nilinis ko talaga siya. Pero hindi talaga yung perfect na malinis. Pero as in, yung mga display, okay na, palibot, lahat, maganda. Pero after na ngayon, nang nawala ako for 2 years, kasi andun na ako sa bahay ko, yun, bumalik na siya slowly, yung mga dito, mga nakapalibot, may mga na naman. Pero, wala na akong paki doon. Hindi na ako manghilabot. Hindi na ako manghilabot ba kung sa Bisaya pa. Hindi na ako kung ano yung ginawa nila dito. Basta kung ako, yung mga ganito, wag nang i-apply sa bahay ko. Kasi tatapon talaga. Yun lang yan ako. Sabi ko sa kanila, kapag pumunta na ka talaga yung binan ko, kapag pumunta na siya doon, at saka gawin niyo to sa bahay ko, si Tami din, sinabihan ko, talagang patungo yan sa basura. May importanteng papel man yan, wala akong pakialam. Basta kapag gagawin ninyo yung bahay ko na parang dampakan dampuan ng mga kahit anik-anik ninyo, sa basura yan pupunta. Prangka talaga, pinaprangka ko talaga sila guys. So yun. Ang bango guys, sobra. Ang bango. Ang sadya-sadya. Si Tami, tumawag pala si akin si Tami kanina, sabi pa niya na galit na naman kasi sabi pa niya, ang doktor, ang tagal ng doktor. Ganun talaga dito guys, kapag yung doktor, mabuti lang yan sila sa unang pagpunta mo dun kasi bago kang kliyente nila. Pero pag matagal na talaga guys, mangyayari kasi kapag matagal ka na sa kanila, parang pinahintay-hintay ka na ba ng matagal ilang oras. Sa mga bagong viewers ko pala, salamat po sa inyo. And also, belated happy birthday sa auntie ko. Hi Tinina! Belated happy birthday! And you are now 50 years old. I'm just joking. I think she is 45. I'm not sure. No, it's not. 41. Yeah, I think she's 41. She will be really pissed. But anyway, happy birthday, Tinina! Tinina. If you're watching, happy birthday, belated. Belated na, te. Late na talaga, te. As in, late na. Hanap tayo ng air freshener. Oh, you're looking for wires?
No, I thought you had I thought I got the thing. Maybe you just guessed.
Okay, the one. Okay. Oh, look at this. There's so many outlets.
For all different phones.
Yeah.
Look how long it is. 10 foot.
No, don't hit that. It's so many wires, really. Dito kami guys, kami oil change. Yung sasakyan ko kasi kailangan na ng oil change, so yun dun siya. Andito sa kabila, car wash siya. Dun. Traffic guys! Traffic na naman. Walang kaundangang traffic. Guys, pasensya na guys sa tae ng bird, oh. Bird's tae. Han tae.
Same thing.
We're talking about guys, internet guys, that there's a lot of store, like a real store, is having like a hard time. People are now internet buying stuff in the internet.
So this taxi cab.
And it's just
It's not taxi cab. It's
yeah, just relax. When you remember when you were a baby or a kid, you do.
I did not do that. Did not. First of all, I didn't go to driving school.
So where did you go?
With friends. Actually, strangely enough, my parents never wanted to teach us how to drive. They did to Sue, and they did some, but it was my aunt who would take me out driving.
Is that your aunt
My Aunt Betty.
Your aunt Betty that you
That's
are?
right. She would take us out.
Hold on.
Well, I learned how to drive a stick shift.
What?
Diane's husband.
Really?
Yeah, because he was really drunk. He's like, you want to learn how to drive a stick shift? Come on. Went into his car. I was destroying his clutch. He was so freaking drunk he didn't care. He just, drive.
So your parents doesn't
Basically, I
teach you
taught
guys?
myself with his car.
But of course you have experience, or you have people tells you what to do with manual.
Oh no, I knew what to do, but you can't do it. It's hard. Using a stick shift, knowing what to do isn't enough. You have to be able to hear the engine. You have to know when to shift.
Yeah.
Otherwise, ripping up the transmission. So yeah.
So yun guys, andito kami. Sabi niya, Okay, this is not the place we're going to. Remember? Tignan natin guys. Kasi kung kaya ba niya to kung ayaw bumili ng iba. Kasi yung pagpunta namin dito is wire light something. Let's go. Tignan natin to. Kung kaya ba niya. I know you're looking for something not what you come here for. Yeah. Let's go home. Let's go home. Ganda nito guys. Ang ganda oh. Something. Saying bye-bye to Dada. These two guys, look at these two. You see, spend time with Dada a little bit. Look at Roxy, it seems like you have a problem. I know your personality, Rox. I know you enough. Seems like you have, are you feeling okay? You have that thing on you.
My little monkey. And my big girl.
Say bye-bye to Dada because we're leaving very soon. Give Dada a hug. Hug. Say bye-bye to Dada. Roxy.
You give me a hug. Okay, hug.
Oh, hug. Oh, hug.
Hi, hugging kitties.
Go Dada, Rox.
Boy, hug.
Call Roxy in.
Good girl. Come here, Rox. Good girl.
Oh. Oh. Look at that.
You too. Hello. Oh.
Misty, no growling, huh?
I don't like growling. I don't like growling.
No one like your growl. Roxy, leave your sister alone. Roxy, leave. What do you leave your sister? Leave your sister alone. Oy. You have to leave your sister alone, baby. Look, huy. We're going home. We're gonna see Dimple Rox.
Charge on your phone.
They're good, 70.
But you're using it to play music.
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright.
I love you.
Love you too, hon.
See you.
Oh, you can put that back in there.
Yeah. See you Monday.
Monday.
See you Thursday.
Monday.
Thursday.
Love you, hon.
Bye bye to the dog.
Safe. Bye, puppies. Bye, puppies. Have a good trip.
Bye bye, baby boy. Love you. Hello. Hi. I'm home. Yeah. Yeah. Dimples. Isaiah. Dimples, son. It's running around. He really don't want me to go home. Hey, thanks for the day. I miss you, big boy. We are home. Our Christmas tree is not on. Okay guys, nabisi lang ako konti guys kasi I was putting all the thing that we got from Costco. So nilagay ko lang siya sa cabinet, and also ito bukas na lang ito. Ito yung bread ko. I'm excited for this Mingo. Bukas ito siya green. At saka ito masarap pala ito guys, itong green na to. Palagi ko na lang itong pinakita sa inyo kasi sobrang sarap talaga niya. Hey guys, palabasin ko lang tong dalawa guys. Hold on, let me get some Dada's yung malaking shoes ni Dada kasi wala akong medyas. So anyway, so palabasin ko lang sila guys, and then matutulog na rin ako guys. Punta na ako sa taas. I will see you tomorrow. But before that, sabayan natin tong dalawa. Mag-ano daw sila ng wiwi nila. Magwiwi daw sila. Pero tignan natin muna sa labas. Baka may skank. Bawal lang magka-skank. Baka may skank ba? Ang ginaw talaga dito. Sobra grabe. Yan si Roxy. Punta tayo sa loob. Oh, wala na dito yung mga sa couch o sa cushion guys kasi nilagay ko na sa sa garbage bag. Nilagay ko na sila nilagay ko sa garage para hindi siya yung basa, maginaw, maging ice, So yun, wala na upuan. So yun. Ang tagal naman itong magwiwi itong dalawa. Ang ginaw. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. See you guys tomorrow guys kasi magpunta na tayo sa taas. Bye! Good night guys. Salamat sa panonood guys. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.